We're going to replace this downstream O2 sensor. There's another one on this side as well that's also a downstream. And the 2 upstream O2 sensors you can get from up top. There's one on the driver's side and one on the passenger side. The procedure for the O2 sensor replacement is going to be the same regardless of where they're located. Slide this little lock tab out of here. If you have to, use little needle nose pliers and just squeeze that just so you can slide that out. And disconnect the connector. Slide that off. Pop it out. You can use an O2 sensor socket or a 7/8 wrench and loosen this O2 sensor up. Normally once you break it free, you can do it by hand. There you go. Take the new O2 sensor and get the threads started by hand. And tighten this down, torque this down to 30 foot-pounds. Connect the connector and reattach the lock.